Hey guys, welcome back. This is Michaela Trixie here. I'm here today to bring you guys another video because why not? Honestly, I am technically a YouTuber, so I would be doing more consistent videos, which I am trying to do for you guys. So for today's video, we are doing the left and right hand challenge. Now, I think way back I did, do this challenge before, but it's such an old video that I don't really want you guys to really go back and check and see because it's already archived. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna do this challenge once again and see how it goes again. I don't know, it may go horribly bad or horribly bad. So yeah, also I'm right-handed, so yeah, really interesting. Also, thank you guys for like 450 subscribers. It actually was one of my goals I was trying to reach, so that's cool, I guess. So yeah. Now here's the right side before it's colored. I also just want to mention that this is a bit more of a different style than I usually do, but for the video I wanted to go more simplistic and not detailed. So yeah, now let's get on to doing the left side. Oh, the left side. Okay, so here is the finished product. Wow! I tried to make it more harder on myself, I don't know why. Also, line art is sketch with my left hand. As you can see, I don't use my left hand very often, so it's really bad. Like, I don't think anyone had like suffered this bad doing a challenge. But I have, so there's that, And yeah, now it's on to coloring, and I'm gonna do the same thing because why not make myself suffer, Okay, so here is the right side finished and colored and inked. Typically enough, I try to make this one stand out, and of course, obviously, and I wanted this one to look a little bit more special because I know the left side is gonna look horrendous. So yeah, let's get into that. Okay, so here's the finished product. What can I say? I don't have no words. I'm speechless, to be honest with you. You guys can be the judge. Obviously, the winner is this one. Obviously, come on now, guys. You know this. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like. It's always super duper helpful. And why not subscribe to join the Mofus Nation? We're almost like at 500, which is kind of shocking. Yes, I know, but we made it. So I couldn't have done it without you guys. Thank you once again. See you guys later. Stay Mofus and Mofus.